fireworks. You literally just said.
Okay, good. Okay, there are a lot of...
Ew, there's like 3 spiders near me.
There's an Enderman right where
Oh yeah, I'll set a 15-minute timer. Set a 15-minute timer, and I'm not going to look at it at all, so we never know when the timer's going to go blow off.
Oh, that's how you do them. Guys, we are right now FaceTiming, and I just saw how she does it, and she's using her Fitbit, so that's how you do them. I thought you used the iPad to, like, you know.
No.
This house is going to be okay, I guess. Right? Is that big enough? Oh, yeah, I'm going to make one of those cabin houses where, like, those cabin houses.
Oh, cool. You just told me what you're doing. Thanks.
No. I'm not I'm so bad at these.
I know you are.
Anyway, I'm not telling you what colors I'm doing with them.
Oh, my goodness.
No,
I need a log. Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Oh, dear, 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 dear. Ew, spider! Get away. Get away. Kill you. Get away.
Lights should, you know, we're in creative, so they won't be able to kill us.
Yeah, I think they know because I'm flying right now. I'm building the sky tower.
I'm right now inside of a firework. Oh my god!
You're inside a firework.
Yeah, like inside. Have a look.
Well, I can't. It's a build-off.
Up in the air. Ooh. I have the whole rainbow of fireworks, just so you know.
Okay, well, I haven't even started. I haven't even got a firework in my inventory.
I've got tons, like millions. That's the whole point of a thing.
I know. I'm going to have lots of windows.
Oh, yeah, so you can see the fireworks. Thanks so much for the idea.
What idea?
Having so many windows so you get to see the fireworks display.
Ava, I have an idea. The winner gets to snowball the loser.
In the battle arena, yes!
Yeah. I need...
We did it! Why did you
I was meant to search.
You win, okay? You win, okay?
I meant to search it.
I know that! Why are there so many freaking skeletons near where I am? I'm scared.
Oh no, I accidentally just... I did it again!
Why? You're not on a computer, you know?
But that last time, I might have actually done it on purpose. But we don't got to talk about that.
Oh, you're using a door net.
What? Oh no, I think the spider's gonna get in my house.
Skeleton, oh god.
It can't even kill you.
Oh my god, there are a spider in my panda area.
Haha.
Okay, right, I'm gonna make it day.
Is it weird to say lol?
No.
Yes, it is. To say it out loud.
LOL.
Lol.
Haha, you all can die. You better not kill my pandas or I will get my destructive shoes out. I actually do have my destructive shoes with my parents on me, so yeesh. Beautiful.
No, spider's gonna come in my house. No! Oi! 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 I'm killing him with a bed. There's a zombie. Yeah, and it has a shovel. It's got an iron shovel. Oi, spider, no!
Take him out. Girl, you can take him out.
No, I can't. Out with a bed. I know what I'm doing now.
I slammed my face on the bed the other day. Just
Oh, that would have been funny.
Yeah, I know it would be funny. Of course, Abby. Ooh, I got a free arrow.
Arrow?
Yes, it's right next to this baby chicken, which is so cute. But you're gonna have to die.
And it's snowing.
Yes.
And I don't even have a roof. Well, I have a roof, but like...
That chicken was boring. I wanted to kill it in 10 shots, but I only got to kill it in 2 shots.
I thought you were going to say 1.
Well, it's a good-
Ooh, this house is looking so cute.
My house is gonna be like a caravan. And yes, you're allowed to say what you're building, but not the colors.
Oh, okay. My colours are pretty basic.
Like white and black.
No. Are they even colours?
Yeah, I guess.
I don't think they
I
are.
don't know what are the colors, okay? I'm bad at colors. But what I do know about colors is that rainbow is the best color ever. No, yes.
I know what the best colour ever is.
What?
Yellow, because it's my favourite, and I'm the best.
No, green is because it stands for Slytherin.
No, Gryffindor.
No, just because Draco Malfoy is in Slytherin doesn't mean it makes Slytherin bad. Actually, there are a lot of famous wizards are in Slytherin. So
I know, but I like... Yeah, but I know. But my favourite character is Dobby. Yeah? So,
why W?
I like him.
Eva has a crush on Dobby.
Huh?
Eva has a crush on Dobby.
What? No.
No.
Oh, red carpet.
Oh, gosh. I'm still doing the base of mine, you know.
What? How are you so... Is it big?
Yes, I guess you could say that.
Books. What are you saying right now?
Eva, list your favorite YouTubers.
I don't know. I like Leah Ash. I don't know.
Who's Leah?
No. Obviously didn't hear me right. I'm gonna get some chests.
What, you don't know who Leah is and you say she's your favorite?
No, I do. I do know who she is.
What, have you met her in real life?
No. I'm decorating my house.
Ooh, plastic on plastic. Ooh, it shines so. Okay, I've been watching a lot of Barbie Life in the Dream House, but the edited version by loads of cool people. So lynch.
Why?
Because it's a trend these days, you know?
Is it?
Yes, it is. Are you gonna edit it? Eva, do you have Gacha Life or Gacha Club or any of that?
No.
You should. Like, oh my god, Gacha Club has finally come out. Thank you so much for doing it if you're watching this. I'm a huge fan. I subscribed.
What? Who's Halloumi? Halloumi.
Looney! L-U-N-I. He's the creator of all
Looney. No.
No, L-U-N-I.
Oh.
There's no E, by the way. I said E.
Does the campfires catch fence on fire?
What?
Do campfires catch fence on fire?
No.
Wait, I don't know how this is physically possible. My campfires haven't gone out and it's raining. We have 5 minutes left.
No, why? No, Eva, no, please. I'm only on the base, please.
Well, hurry up then.
Mina, no, Eva, please. No, Eva.
What?
Please.
What? Mine is looking real cute.
Eva, Eva, I'm not done yet, so please change the timer for God's sake.
No, it's 15 minutes and that's that.
No. If someone needs more time, then give them more time.
But that's not how it works in a build-off. Okay, so I need fireworks now.
Eva, I haven't even decorated yet. Eva, please.
I don't care.
Eva, please.
What?
Please, imagine if you were in this incident like me.
I honestly wouldn't care. How do you do this?
Alright, let's edit this place, I guess. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. It's a rainbow! Don't ask me why.
Yay, fireworks! Ava, look up. Ava, look up.
Okay, I'm looking. I can't really see because it's more over to where you are, but I can see them. That's so cool. Eva, please, I'm begging you.
What are you begging me?
Please.
3 minutes. 3 minutes.
No, Eva, please, I'm begging you.
Let me think about. Oh, my house is sticking out the wall. Like you could actually see it if you looked at the side of the wall. A bit of it. But you're nice.
Eva.
Yeah.
Please, Eva.
Nah.
But you're not the boss of this, are you? Because I can change it to survival and kill you anytime.
What do you mean?
You make me mad. And honestly, you don't want to make me mad.
Is that from anime?
No. It's from real life, honey.
I need cobblestone.
Sorry. Was about to sneeze. Just joking, no, I wasn't. Oh.
Ava?
What?
2 minutes and 20 seconds.
No, Eva!
Yes? Why? What is it?
Please, give me some more time.
No. Never.
Why? I can always turn it to survival.
Yeah, but then you're just going to die. Because guess what I have equipped in my hand?
Eva, please, please. Do it for your old trusty friend who's turning 10 in about 16 days.
Yeah, I'm turning 10 at end of November.
And that's ages away, so... Mine is only in a couple of days. Well, more than a couple, but you know. So, please. Eva, please.
I need knockback. Knockback 1? No, I need knockback 2.
Eva, please.
What?
Please, give me some more time.
No! Okay, fine. I'll give you 2 more minutes.
No, I need more than that. I'm building an underground base here.
Well, I'm not.
I know you're not. Eva, please. No, Eva, please. No, please.
What?
Please.
Why?
Give me
How do you put knockback on a sword?
What?
I wanna. How do you put? Never mind. Actually, I'm gonna equip this.
Give me 19 more minutes. Give me 19, and I promise.
10.
10. Okay, fine. 10.
Because I can only film for half an hour. Okay, I'm putting the 10-minute timer on now.
Okay, good.
Because the time just went out.
Just in time, yes. Okay, this is looking good, I guess.
I need a... Is it?
I hope this underground base looks good. Sugar coated. Sugar coated.
I'm replacing all of my fireworks.
Why?
To colours that I like.
Ah, okay. I bet it's gonna be yellow.
There we go.
Eva, I'm right now gonna light some pink fireworks from where I am right now.
I didn't see any of them.
Oops. Can you see now?
The wall's in the way. Light them again. I don't see anything.
Well, your eyes are blind, girl.
Are they? Maybe they're just not going over the thing. No, I don't want orange. I don't want light grey.
Oh, thank you for the colours.
You know what? Ah, I don't have permission to use /clear.
Because it's my world, honey. I created this world. Sugar coated. Sugar coated. Dun 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 dun.
What is that song?
It's a meme song of Gacha Club. Okay, if you had Gacha Club, you would know, but you don't, which is boo-hoo. I wish you did though. I like lighting fireworks. It's nice. Do you see them? What beauty! I should be working on my build instead of that. Yes, Ava, shut up and start building.
Haha.
No, damn! I placed one of my shulker boxes.
Ava,
Yes.
look up.
You're wasting my precious time here, but okay. I'll look up just for you. I can see where you are now. Wait, I'm gonna light some, but I get extra time because you know you're wasting my time here. But you know.
Oh, I think I see them. Wait. Yeah, I see them. It's like a sprinkler.
I see yours. Mine are way bigger.
Are they?
Mhm. Okay, I'm gonna get back to work now. So shut up. I'm trying to work here.
I still don't know what that song is.
It's called the ticking meme.
I need a yellow firework.
What? Wow. I'm right now lighting fireworks in my house. Wow. Do fireworks in a small cramped place, and then you're going to be inside of the fireworks. Wait, do them right underneath you, and then you're inside of the fireworks. Eva, what time is it?
You have 4 minutes left.
No, but like, what time is it? Is it like 6 o'clock?
It is 4:41.
Okay, good. I'm calling my friend Mina at
Okay.
6, yeah.
Oh, so pretty!
What? Excuse me, what? Sugar coated. Oh, meow, 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 meow. Sugar coated.
What song is that?
I don't know what its name. It's called Sugar Coated.
Oh, yeah, I can see that.
Sugar coated. Wait, I can see you flying up. I can see you flying up. I can see you. I can see you. How dare you fly up? That is against the Bill versus rules. Oh my god. So pretty. So pretty.
Hey, wait, where's your... Hey! I get to... Woo! A tunnel. Ava, you have...
No. Please give me more time. I haven't got an angle to decorate, please.
You have 2 minutes and 50 seconds.
Mina, no, please. Please, I'm begging you.
Nah, I'm mean.
Anyway, while the 2 minutes and 50 seconds are
Well, it's even less now. Oh no, I just threw away my diamond enchanted sword.
Anyway, please be sure to follow me and Steve out on Skinseed.
They probably don't even have skin seeds. But anyways, my username is...
They probably wouldn't be clicked on this video if they didn't play Minecraft. And Skinseed, you need Skinseed to make your own skins for Minecraft and all that. So,
I have 2 diamond enchanted swords. What?
Could you give me one, please?
Okay, fine. I'll give you I'll throw it over if I can. Oops. I promise I won't look. Sharpness 1. Oh, yeah, they're both exactly the same. Huh?
Right now, fireworks.
Why can't I do it? Hey, you can do...
Gimme.
I'm trying!
Well, actually, I don't need it because I have this shulker box that has every enchanted armor in it, and I'm going to give you one. So, yeesh. Here, take this. Take it. Eva, take this. Eva, take it. Eva, where are you? Eva.
Yeah?
There. You've got 2 shulker boxes.
Thank you.
MP.
You need to stop making that that song because I don't even know what it is and it's annoying me.
Sugar coated. Well,
How does an end chest work?
you would know, honey.
Stop calling me honey. It's weird. I'm your friend.
I know. It's a sassy club. It's a sassy thing to do, okay? And I'm sassy.
Are you?
So deal with it.
Yeah, I never realised you were sassy, so... Oh, time's up! Ava, clear your inventory.
No, I'm not clearing my inventory, and I'm still going to go on and yeet.
Well, I'm coming over to your side right now to tour, so... Show the viewers. Okay.
No, please, guys, no, please.
Okay, so where is it? No. They want to see how bad you did, Ava.
No, please.
So is this all you did? Is this all you did? Well, it looks like I'd be winning then. Ooh.
No, it's not what I've done. I've been mimicking a secret basement, honey.
Oh, wow. How...
So, if you give me 5 minutes more, then...
No.
No, please.
Ava, please, no, because I can't record for that long. So, my turn. I'll tour you mine.
No. Eva, please. Give me some time, please.
No.
Eva.
Okay, fine. In our next video, you can build off camera, and in our next video, yeah, I'll show it, okay?
Let me think about that, honey.
Ooh, I see this rainbow bridge. How nice. Oh, underwater aquarium! Do you remember it?
Oh, yeah.
I'm at it right now. TP to me.
No.
Okay.
Fine, I'll TP to you.
Okay. There's a fox. Wow, it's so, the seats are not very good, but built it a long time ago.
Celeste did the seats, so don't see that.
No, I did the seats.
Did you?
Yes!
Oh, you did, yeah.
Okay, let's go see my build now, because that's the whole point of the video.
What about my build? Wait, Eva, I'm going to light some fireworks in here.
Okay. Oh! It goes through the water. Okay, come to me.
I'm coming.
You can just teleport now. Can you make it nighttime so we can see the fireworks properly? Yay! Teleport to me! Now.
I don't have to teleport, honey.
Okay, well, hurry up.
Your place looks pretty boring.
How dare you? There's a campfire.
What is that? Oh, that's how you do. Wait, Eva, what are these objects called? What
Dispenser.
Dispenser. I have no. Where are dispensers?
Search it. D-I-S. Search up D-I-S. And you get...
D-I-S. Ooh, dispenser. Okay. Eva, I've got 10 minutes till my next call, so yeesh.
Okay, well, that's all for now, guys. Please, comment down below who you think, won. So, yeah.
Guys, also, guys, follow us on Stupid, and also, I haven't finished, so don't comment me in, and in the next video that we do together, I will be able to finish this.
Yes! So, yeah, that's all for now. Hope you had a great day.